Okay, it's been a long time coming, but we are about 95% done with the cabin. So this is what we got so far. I went ahead and put tarp going all the way down to the sides on both sides. Threw some camo netting up. Got a screen door here. Got a lock and lock mechanism for the door. Still got some stuff to do inside here. Right now I got 2 bunks set up. I'm going to put another 2 right here. I'm going to put a table and chairs here in the center. Storage over there. I'm going to add some storage there. This will be like a small work area. Over here I've got, this is going to be the comms desk. So there's the hand crank phone. Once I get it wired up, I'll do a video on it. Place for equipment, the batteries for the battery bank. I got the solar panel system outside, getting ready to wire it up. So this is kind of where we're at. And then the windows. So those just slide right in there. And then right now we just got a cooler. So I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out. Have any questions, suggestions, anything like that? I am going to be putting some 12-volt lighting, strip lighting up through here. So I'll show you that once it's up and running. So I would say this weekend, I'll probably spend the weekend up here with the kids. So I just got to get the other 2 beds built. Excuse me for being out of breath. It's hot today. It's a very hot day, and I did not bring enough water up here. So, all right, well, it's a quick update there. Like I said, if you had any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, feel free to like and subscribe. Comment below. And as always, God bless. Stay healthy, stay safe.